Today we're here to pick up our truck and yay, we're super excited. I like to thank Allah for helping us. It was an easy process, and now we're on a new venture with our food truck, Demo Barbecue. The floor plan was excellent, and so after that, we went into like customizing. Customizing was a big thing. So we wanted something small, and Allah did. He did a great job, and I want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Yeah, so as you can see, this is everything that we wanted. Everything was to our liking, and I just think they did an amazing job, like making his dreams of owning a food truck. It was just seamless. Everything was seamless. Everything is like tight fitting, very secure. And he did an orientation. That was the cool part about it. They don't just leave you and you don't know exactly how to work different things. So that was a great thing, the orientation. I really do appreciate that, because this is some high-tech stuff he put in here. So we'd like to thank you guys for everything. Everything is like new and clean and crisp and very tight. And that's what I love about it. It's everything we wanted and so much more.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jerusalem.
Kitchen on wheels.
Kitchen on wheels. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.